Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Elizabeth. Today's vlog is actually about our yard. We are turning it into a vegetable garden, at least half of it. We have a 1.5 acres of yard. When we bought this property 4 years ago, the lawn was just gorgeous. They're thick. The grass was really green and thick and so, very lush. Like we had, I think, for 3 years in a row, we had the best yard in a neighborhood. But that all changed that because it's just too much money went into it. Throughout the summertime, we turn on the sprinklers, 3 of them, pretty much every other day, and it's like on for like 6 or 8 hours every time we turn them on, and that just costs too much money. And not only that, my husband spent too much time cutting the grass because you keep watering it so the grass grows, and now he needs to cut it. So last year actually everything changed. He decided he wanted to planted a whole lot of bamboo trees. So my husband ordered a 500 seeds, bamboo seeds actually online, and then he actually raised them up in our family room, since we have a huge windows and suns are coming in. It's warm up there and just perfect for bamboo plants. And so half of it, after he raised it, half of it he sold it online as well, and then a lot of them actually went into our yard. So that's what's the vlog all about for today. And so I'm gonna take you outside. Hear a little baby's noise. I'm babysitting right now, so I'm down in our basement. My friend actually went to work. She works for 4 hours every day, but Monday, Saturday, and Sunday. So once a week at least I get to watch these girls. One of them is my goddaughter. They're adorable. Side, and I'm gonna show you what we have out there and what we're going to do in our backyard. So we're turning it into vegetable garden and scent garden. So stick around. Thank you. So let's start on this side of the house. On the other side actually is our front yard. Starting here, you see the mulch right there. This is a peach tree, so my husband is actually gonna put some apple trees over here, and so we have a bunch of mulch that needed to be spread out. And then we do have the dead tree that he cut down not too long ago, and he needs to cut it into little pieces. So that's another project that it needs to be done. This is one of the bamboos actually that it started from the seeds, and it's been actually he just planted it last year. And around over here I started, there's more twigs that we need to burn. That there's like 2 mounds of mulch over here that I actually spread it, and I have to cover this tree to protect it. Now mulch actually, it's good. It retains your it retains the water, so that you don't have to water the plants or the trees all the time. And another reason is that I'm going to show you the difference between mulch and without mulch. These actually are the moonflowers plants, and it sprouted on a regular soil. See how so tiny, it's like 2 feet tall. And this is actually the moonflowers that grew in the soil that has mulch on it. Right there. That moonflower is actually 6 feet tall, from all the way to the bottom and to the top. So that's the difference. You mix the mulch with the soil, and for some reason it fertilizes it too. This is another bamboo. So you can see a whole lot of mulch that needs to be spread out, and we're gonna cover all these bamboos right over here. So these bamboos actually are gonna grow all the way up to 30 to 40 feet tall. This is the clumps bamboo, and these bamboos are all controlled. So someday we wanna sell this property, it's not going to be a problem. They're not going to go crazy, I don't think. So there's more bamboos over here. So as you can see, this grass is really brown right now. That's because we never watered it anymore. We stopped watering it because we're just going to plant all kinds of trees over here. More bamboos. My husband started planting vegetables and fruit vines. So these actually are the blackberries. We enjoyed this fruit. Actually, they're like this big, and I mean this long, and then this big. It's really sweet. I don't know if they're gonna make it because it's September already. So next year, I'm going to show you the fruit. This one actually is the same. They're blackberries, and my husband just planted that 2 days ago, and he put mulch all around it. So they retain water and keeps the weeds off. More bamboos over here. And as you can see, he took all the weeds out. He's working on it. We have like a very tall Portugal tree or grass that is 30 feet tall. And here's the other side of the yard. My husband is preparing it for next year. This is where gonna be the vegetable garden. So as you can see, all mulch. He's got some vegetable planted over there, bok choy, carrots. He's just testing the soil, see if it will, grow healthy. And we have some asparagus right there, and some grapes right there. This is a playground that no one actually uses it. Our kids are all grown up. But this is the playground that he ended up covering it with wisteria. And that wisteria actually really pretty, the flowers, if you see it. We have a bunch of apple trees that my husband needs to plant as well. These are all apple trees. And then we have a plum tree right here. Let's see if you can see the apple right there. And the property actually goes all the way to the end of that post, electrical post right there, right in front of that. That's the corner of the property. So my husband is planning to turn into vegetable garden someday, but he needs to take down all those trees so we have sun over it. Otherwise it's not gonna make it. So this is our yard. So you can just imagine how much work he puts into it. He cut the grass. Of course he's gonna riding mower, but it took him like an hour just to cut the grass. And just imagine all the sprinklers are on right there and over here. and over there. So 3 of them are going. So the reason why we bought this property, because of that 5-car garage. My husband used to be a rehabilitator of the house, and he did that for 5 years, and so he accumulated a lot of lumbers from the old house that he rehabilitated. So inside the garage actually are his toys and tools, lumbers, stuff like that. One of his toys is actually out. This is his smoker. He used that I probably say twice a year because he's too darn busy. Obviously our cars are out here, that because none of the garage is actually available for our cars to be parked. My car garage is actually attached to the house, and again we use that for my for actually everybody's stuff. So it's a storage unit. This is the finished product of my hard work. I would say probably put in 3 hours all in all to work on that mulch. I have 3 mounds of mulch. I actually spread it also right there, and then a lot of them went over here. This mulch is actually 6 to 8 inches thick. We do that so that the weeds would not come in anytime soon. So that's for that, and I'm actually gonna show you another project. I think I mentioned it on my second vlogs, but if you did not see that, you can check it out. So hold on for a second. So this is the project that's ongoing right now. As you can see, the shape is that it's a swimming pool. It's a kidney shape. The original owner of this house had a swimming pool, but then when the husband died, the wife turned it into a pool garden. So then now my husband is transforming it to like a sitting area. He's like I said, he's gonna put a pergola right here, and then the other half is just a bamboo bushes or dwarfs, which is the ground cover right there. Pergola, and right behind it, it's gonna be a water features, either koi pond or a waterfalls. So like yesterday we went, and actually we didn't grab materials. I thought we're grabbing a materials from the Des Moines, but actually it was a tool so that he can put the lumber up, and what the tool is gonna do, it's gonna help him lift all the lumbers that's gonna go on the roof of that pergola. So that is it. That's what's going on right now. He's one of projects that he's actually trying to finish it. I am not sure if he's gonna finish it this year. I hope it will, but either way, it's gonna be a journey. Now I just want to say thank you for hanging out with me. I hope I'll see you next Wednesday. Alrighty, thank you, bye bye. I just want to say thank you to all the people that actually like and subscribe to my channel. And if you actually watching this right now, and you are not subscriber yet, please hit that button right there. Okay, I would appreciate all your support.